the solution for this example. So we're going to use an if function, and we're going to say if there's a 1 here, it must use this row. If there's a 2, it must use this row here. So we're going to do a function wizard. So the logical test here is look at that cell there, and I'm going to put my dollar signs on because I want it to always look there. Is it equal to a 1? If it is, it must use that number there. If it's not, it must use that number there. And when I say OK, I can copy it across. So you'll see it's bringing that through. Formatting just needs to be fixed in this case. And again, we're going to do the same thing here now. We're going to say use an if function, but this time we're going to point at the selling price scenario, put our dollar signs on. Is it equal to a 1? If it is, use that one. If it's not, use that one. And when I say OK, it gives me the number. I can copy it across and just do some spot checks. Just make sure it's making sense.